What's up, everybody? Bert with GreensThings. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. So we're going to get right into it. We're making peach cobbler. So first thing is first, the recipe that I chose to use calls for canned peaches. Well, if anybody knows me, if you watch my videos, I don't cook like that. I gotta cook from, we get down to the basics, okay? Anyways, here we go. The best calculation I could do, going off the requirements, were actually for two 29-ounce canned peaches. So the best I could figure out for the weight, I just said, okay, well, that's about 60 ounces roughly. It's actually 58 ounces of peaches. Since there's not going to be any syrup or anything, we're going to have to rely on using extra sugar for the recipe to make up for the syrup that we do not have. So we're going to use fresh peaches. We're going with 66.8 ounces. That's what we're going to do. Now, to peel these peaches, we got to blanch the peaches. So over here on the stove, we can put some light on it. I've already got a pot of boiling hot water. We're going to do 4 peaches at a time. Now let me show you something over here. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it already, I've made an X on the bottom of every one of these peaches with a knife. Okay, let me get it in focus. You can kind of see it. Okay, that's going to help. After blanching the peaches, we're going to peel the skin off, and then we're going to continue on with the recipe. All right, let's get into it. All right, everybody, we're back. Got the water boiling here. Now we're gonna do 4 peaches at a time. Hey everybody, here we are, got our boiling water. This is how I'm gonna be lowering them in. You're gonna blanch your peaches for 30 seconds and they're gonna go in a cold bath of ice water. Here we go. There it is. Just because it's a little bit difficult to hold the phone, I'm going to pull these pieces out and get them in the ice water, and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. We got the first 4 in the ice water. I'm going to just basically rinse and repeat until we get all 16 done. I'll be right back with you. Okay, here we are. We got all our peaches here. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling them. We'll put them all in the bowl. Okay, my friends, here we are back again. All right, here's all the peelings. Here is our peeled peaches. Compliments of this guy right here. This peeler, if you can see it, this is something I also got from Princess House. If you remember in my previous videos, I described I actually gave you some information on Princess House. If you want to look back in the archives, see more about that. It's a really great organization. Now, if you do composting, this is excellent for you to go ahead and add this to your compost pile. Okay, I'm not really there yet because of the location in which I reside. I'm going to go ahead and slice these up. Well, we got our peaches and everything combined up here with all the sweet stuff in the pan. Now we're going to make our topping. So here's 2 cups of flour already. Let me go ahead and put the rest. And as always, you might have guessed, we're going to go at this and mix this up with our tiny whisk. Okay. Then after that, we're going to add some butter into it, already melted up. Right, here we go. So We've got our flour mixture evenly spread across the entire pan. Be sure to lightly pat this down without patting it too far into the layer of peaches. And now we're going to take this right here, our melted butter, and starting from the top, we're going to drizzle it across the whole surface of this before we put it in the oven. And there it is. All right, here we go. Take a look. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and reduce the temperature down here to 375. Okay. 375. Like I said before, you're going to let this cook for about another hour until the top is golden and crisp. Keep checking it. Well, here we go, everybody. And as promised, I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test. Let's see what we got. Man, let me tell you something right now. That is some good peach cobbler. Hey, everybody that tuned in today or this evening, whichever time it is for you right now, thanks for watching this video. If you watch it all the way to the end, I certainly do appreciate it. As always, the ingredients and the instructions will be in the description. You guys have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful night. Like I said, whatever time it is for you, I hope you're having a great time. Thanks again. You've been watching GreensThings. And remember, you heard it here first. Take care and be blessed.